name is Walter Muniz. I work for ACT Alliance, that is a faith-based organization who work through development, advocacy and humanitarian aid. So it has been a very interesting experience to be in this seminar because we can learn from different perspectives, and also the difference between the organizations who are here are very, it makes the conference, the seminar very interesting, because the exchange of experience and information are very rich for everyone who is here. So I think I will bring from this experience a lot of knowledge and a lot of new reflections about how can I deal with crisis in communication for my organization and for my also daily work.